Hello guys, today we have 2004 Mazda Mpv. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna be replacing the radio. We're gonna take the factory radio out and replace it with a aftermarket. Uh, this one is real easy, won't take you more than like 30 minutes to do it. So basically what we're gonna do first, we're gonna take two screws, one here, one over here, and then we're gonna have to take this whole trim, like this one, all the way over here. We're just gonna pull it out. Okay. Okay. Well, we got the trim loose. As you can see right here. See, the only thing that you have to do is like using like a flathead screwdriver. You don't have to apply it like right here, you know, like around the edge. Be real gentle with it. Then after that, whenever you got the trim all loose, make sure you put your core on the on position and use switch the first gear, so that way you can pull this out real easy. See, as you get that out, you will see the whole radio. See, that's the trim. Now you can put it back in park, cut it off. Now from here, you only have to take 4 screws. It's 4. This one, this one, this one, and this one's right here. After you get those 4 screws out, the whole radio is gonna pop out. Okay. Okay. You got the screws out. Now you only have to pull the radio, just like that. And then from behind, you unplug the antenna and that white plug right there, and then you will be almost ready to install the aftermarket radio. Okay, well, at this point, whenever you got the radio out, we got the plug for the aftermarket radio, and I will highly recommend you to get an adapter plug for that, so that way you don't have to be, cutting wires and then looking for the speaker wire or the power wire. You just get one of these. See, it's only like, I don't know, like 5, maybe $10. It will save you a lot of time, a lot of trouble, trying to figure out which one is what. Because this one is just, after you get this one, with this one, it's just a plug and play. Alright, so let me get this one done, and I'll show you that. Okay, well, I got this ready. I got the plug, like the adapter with the radio plug right here with the aftermarket radio. Okay, another thing, before you install the radio, as you can see, whenever you remove the factory radio, you got like a huge hole right here, like a lot of space. And well, see, it won't fit. I mean, well, it does fit, but it's not like the right place. So what you have to do, you have to get one of these things. As you can see, it's like another, I would say, like another bracket or adapter to make the aftermarket radio fit and fit in this space. See, because if you just put the radio, you got like this much, like with nothing. So using that adapter or bracket or whatever you wanna call it, like installation kit or something, the radio should fit right without any problem. So basically, you want to put that in, screw, put the 4 screws, and then you just put the radio in there with this. All right. Okay. Now we got this ready. Like I said, you only have to like put it right here where the factory radio used to be. Just like that. And I have to put the screws back in. Make sure you use one of these. You have to have this for your aftermarket radio. Basically, you only have to fit it like right there. Right there. Like, you have to put it in there. So I'm going to have to do that. Put the radio back on, and we will test it. So I just plug in the antenna. I got my plug ready. Got the radio in place. What we do is we only have to like plug this one back in the radio, which will be right here, I guess, right there, and slide it back in place. Just like that. Have to put the screws. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. That. Then we're gonna install the trim again. You have to do the the shifter down to first again to fit the trim. Okay. So put the can. Shifter. See, it's working now. This one back in place. Make sure you're lining. Just push it in. Just like that, because it just clips. I mean, it has just clips. Just like that. Here. Now we got a radio. Let's see.
Very well. She's a happy person.
She's doing good. Yes, she's as happy as
Doing good. Alright guys, well thank you for watching my videos. Check out my channel for my older videos about do it yourself, about other cars. Please subscribe, that will help me a lot. Share the video. I mean, just give me a comment. Any question, just let me know. Alright guys, thanks.